Hello everyone, I'm Ahui. Today I'm unboxing with you Xiaomi's POCO F7 Pro and Xiaomi POCO F7 Pro Taiwan. Talk about why I recommend this new device. It's actually really simple. If you're looking for high performance and cost effective, this is the one for today. Moreover, this year the POCO F7 Pro has been fully upgraded, stronger and more complete. It might just be the most affordable and best value Flagship available. With a built-in 6000 mAh large capacity battery, the IP68 dust and water resistance that everyone wants, a 50 megapixel camera plus AI features. The POCO F7 Pro. Today I'll give you a complete introduction, report the pros and cons to everyone, subscribe to channel as video starts. Thank you everyone. Alright, before the unboxing, POCO is a sub-brand of Xiaomi, focusing on youthful and high-cost performance models. Among them, if we talk about POCO's F series, it's a product line that emphasizes performance. Ahui introduced models like the F6 and F5 series received good feedback. What's quite special this year is, besides introducing the F7 Pro today, POCO has also launched for the first time a model with the label Ultra, the super flagship POCO F7 Ultra. This model has also been introduced in Taiwan. It also features excellent performance, a very high cost performance model choice. Today Ahui unboxes and shows the F7 Pro, which I personally highly recommend. We have specs F7 Pro, F7 Ultra. Here we have specs for F7 Pro Ultra, organized for everyone, including a comparison with the previous generation F6 Pro. Using a tabular format, I believe it can provide with a faster reference for comparison. Alright, this year the POCO F7 Pro 3 black, silver, blue is introduced with 3 color options, black, silver, and blue. Specs, it is equipped with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, and there are 2 versions with 12+256 and 12+512 storage combinations. Now let's place the box directly on the table. The packaging is very complete. A good tradition Xiaomi. Includes a 90W fast charging adapter. Standard, no need to purchase separate. USB-A to USB-C charger, USB-A to USB-C cable, and USB-A to USB-C charger cable for Xiaomi. This is universal. There is also a basic soft protective case. And included on the phone screen factory is a pre-applied PET material screen protector. So after all, get the F7 Pro phone. You have basic protection right out of the box. Okay, let's take a look at today's main feature, the POCO F7 Pro. This time, the F7 Pro features a 6.67-inch AMOLED screen, same size as previous generation, featuring a centered punch-hole 20 megapixel front camera. Compared to the previous generation, the front camera quality has been improved. This time, the POCO F7 Pro uses a flat screen with a resolution of 3200 by 1.40, which is 2K resolution, supports a high refresh rate of 120 Hz. Maximum brightness of screen. The official peak local brightness is 3200 nits. HBM can reach approximately 1800 nits. Here, Ahui tested the max brightness and the overall peak brightness for your reference. Grasp significance of these values. A simple method to determine the overall peak brightness if it can reach above 1000 nits. Basically, there won't be much an issue using it under sunlight. The higher the brightness, the better the visibility under sunlight. Alright, regarding the weight, the POCO F7 Pro is 206G, slightly lighter than the previous generation. This is something to pay note to POCO F7 Pro added features. Battery capacity increased, yet it has become lighter. Another feature that everyone really wants is the water resistance is at flagship level. IP68 is a big plus. The body is made of an aluminum alloy frame, along with a glass back cover. The surface has a matte finish. The camera area has a specially designed glossy section. Overall, it is not very prone to fingerprint smudges. The texture can be said to be excellent. A big plus indeed. The volume and power buttons are concentrated on the right side of the device. It's worth mentioning that this year they have also used ultrasonic fingerprint recognition. At this price point, it's a very groundbreaking feature. At this price point, it's an innovative feature, ultrasonic fingerprint recognition. In terms of technical advantages, speed of ultrasound fingerprint recognition is fast. Next, at night, you don't need to light up the screen. No light source is needed. And then if your hands are wet, like on a rainy day or after washing your hands, the sensing effect is also better with wet hands. Additionally, the benefits come with it are also position of ultrasonic fingerprint sensor is more user-friendly than the older model. The device has built-in NFC to support mobile payments. In addition, fingerprint recognition. It also supports facial unlocking for convenient use. As for the SIM card, it supports 5G plus 5G. Dual SIM, dual standby at the bottom, dual-sided design. Taiwan 5G supports frequency band. There is no issue with full frequency band support. It doesn't support memory card expansion. Next, something to be slightly aware of is, for Taiwanese consumers, it does not support eSIM feature, which is a bit unfortunate. If you have this requirement, you can use conversion peripherals. I have previously made a video introduction that you can refer to. There are also such products. Okay, let's talk about other bonus features. POCO F7 Pro with infrared. Infrared remote control, so the phone can be the remote control for your home TV. DVD camera, fan, and the one I use often is the air conditioner remote control. Just a beep to turn it on. Press again, turn it off. This is a feature I use frequently myself. If I wake up too cold or hot, I can open phone and adjust it anytime. Another bonus feature is the POCO F7 Pro. It also has a built-in call recording function, and it can even be set to automatic call recording if you have this need. This is also a bonus feature. Finally, the POCO F7 Pro's built-in stereo dual speaker system will be recorded here using a professional recorder. I recommend everyone to listen with headphones for better effect. Here's the key point: performance and overall power. Yes, the most important about the POCO F7 Pro is its performance and power. It's very powerful. Simply put, the POCO F7 Pro uses last year's most powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. Of course, this year's 8 Elite is even more appealing. However, what is emphasized, the POCO F7 Pro is all about high cost-performance ratio. Do you understand now? Combined, it offers great value for money. You could say the POCO F7 Pro is like other brands' mid-range phones, or even entry-level phones positioning and pricing. POCO F7 Pro, get a flagship phone with flagship performance specifications. Here, I've also included my benchmark scores for your reference. Simply put, the performance is top-notch. Play Genshin Impact, there are absolutely no issues. As for battery performance, this time it's also a significant improvement. First, let's talk about the drawbacks. It's still unfortunate to mention, this year F7 Pro charging has actually decreased slightly. This time, the POCO F7 Pro supports up to 90W fast charging, which is still very fast, but the previous generation's 120W was even faster. However, here's the key point. It's very important. The F7 Pro comes with a 6,000 mAh battery, compared to the previous generation's 5,000 mAh. This is a super practical major upgrade. Here we provide the battery performance, charging speed, and curve for your reference. Regarding the camera, the POCO F7 Pro uses a 50 megapixel standard wide-angle lens, along with an 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle dual camera setup. Here are some sample photos tested by Ahui for your reference. The main camera of the POCO F7 Pro actually uses an old partner, a 50 megapixel 1.55-inch sensor, the Lighthunter 800 sensor. The aperture is f1.6, features OIS image stabilization. The sensor also supports pixel binning technology. It also supports native dual ISO fusion functionality, which can provide a better dynamic range. The camera performance should still be considered very good. Lighthunter 800 slip of the tongue is not appearing for the first time on Xiaomi phones. This time, Ahui took the POCO F7 Pro to Kyoto for a trip, and also shared some photos. Next is good performance. Or rather, the main focus is on the main camera. The main camera is excellent. The ultra-wide angle with 8 megapixels by today's standards, the ultra-wide angle is a bonus feature. It allows you to create more compositions. The ultra-wide angle can capture more impressive photos. The image quality is probably just okay. Unfortunately, I have to say the F7 Pro lacks a telephoto lens. This is a bit unfortunate. Of course, as the main lens has high resolution. The sensor itself supports cropping mode. It supports 2x lossless cropping. Even when you use up to 5x digital zoom, I think the image quality is quite excellent. It's quite usable. Okay, and finally the selfie part. Front camera, POCO F7 Pro has 20 megapixels. Better than before. Here are sample photos provided. Of course, there's a beautiful lady demonstrating for everyone's reference. That's it for today. Not finished yet. AI features. Now the POCO F7 Pro has them too. Didn't expect a mid-range phone to have this. And upon closer inspection, this interface looks so familiar. Isn't this the AI feature just introduced in the Ahui Xiaomi 15 Ultra? AI features introduced, flagship phone AI, are all available on the POCO F7 Pro. This is really amazing. At a mid-range phone price, it's an incredible value for an entry-level mid-range phone. Now it has the flagship phone's AI features. First, there's a deep collaboration with Google, including Google Circle Search, Gemini AI Assistant. The search circle in collaboration with Google is really convenient. You long press home button or use a gesture to long press to search for any object on the screen. If you want to search product or find navigation for places, it's no problem. Gemini AI is a feature I use frequently, and now it's also available such as deep search, Google Gemini Flash. These advanced AI features are usable now. AI simultaneous interpretation, which everyone uses often, is when you pull down the drop-down menu. It provides a face-to-face translation feature, which you can directly enable and use from the options. For work-related AI features, there are AI notes, AI recording, and AI subtitles. You can use AI notes to reformat. You can moderately correct your content and then extract the key points you need. Simply put, AI recording can be used when everyone is having a meeting. It provides a voice recording feature for meetings, which can directly convert speech to text and even identify different people's conversation content. If you have a 4-person meeting, it will separate them as A, B, C, D, and it can perform translation directly, and even load the key results of the meeting notes. Next is the AI subtitle feature. You can open any video, even online meetings, or even listen to lectures in class, and you can directly see real-time subtitle feature, or even bilingual subtitles after translation. The AI long video feature is more entertainment-oriented. You use feature to easily edit vlog videos, like through the AI movie feature. Easily create short films and movie-level short clips. Select the photos and videos you want to use, then imagine according to your needs, enter keywords, and then generate all the work for the AI movie. All right, next is AI Erase Pro. This is like the previous advanced Pro version of the Magic Erase feature, which generates and fills based on AI content. You can remove objects from the image, remove lines from the image, for example, utility poles BG, and then you can remove passers-by with one click, convenient. Then Smart Expand can generate content. You can adjust the proportions freely. Previously, you could only crop. Now you can enlarge it instead, allowing it to automatically recompose the image. All right, that's all for Ahui's introduction to the complete video content of POCO F7 Pro. Great value, high performance, versatile, practical. You can really describe its features like this. The key point of the POCO F7 Pro this time is its excellent performance at this price point. You could say it's priced like a mid-range phone, but with flagship level performance. This time there's a significant upgrade with a 6,000 mAh battery, IP68 dust water resistance. A very noticeable upgrade. In addition to gaming applications that demand high performance, POCO F7 Pro also ensures that your device remains usable for many years. Even with version updates, will have better usability. Alright, if you like Ahui's videos, like subscribe and enable bell, I suggest Ahui's page where you can find tech updates daily. Thanks all. Goodbye. Love you.